Okay, I am going to make lemon basil caper chicken salad today. 10-minute meal, because I got my crew here at my house, and I'm going to make them a 10-minute lunch so we can all be fed because we work so damn much. So I got my whole system. I like to cut everything first, and it all, recycle. Every single thing, so you have easy access to everything. I like to make it, I like to challenge myself and see if it's actually quicker than 10 minutes. Sure. Because every minute matters when you're a realtor. One thing that's super cool is that they give you this chicken breast that's already, everything's organic, by the way. Everything is organic. And, I just made a mess. Okay. Fast I can pick up. And, okay, access. That's, all right. We need this chicken. Come out. Oh, shit. I'm just having a hard time here. All right, so we got chicken here. Recycle this crap. We got dates. It's the only date I'm getting these days. Here we go. Because I can't make a salad without a recipe. Place one pita in a toaster oven. Trim ends off of the summer squash. And I am cutting the ends off. Looks about an inch to me. Okay. Sure. All right. This is like totally behind the scenes of what the insanity is in our workday and how we try and fit in a lunch when we're not eating in the car. And the only way to actually eat for me is to do Green Chef, because that requires me not to go grocery shopping, not to figure out what I have to make because I don't know how to cook anyway. Let's see, that's good. Rinse lettuce. All right, rinse the lettuce. I'll cover it is, usually it's clean. Perfect. I probably don't have to look at the directions on how to cut lettuce, but I can do. All right. Doing this, and then we're just gonna make it in like, I need a bowl. That would be helpful. Ooh, do I have an assistant that has a, oh my God, let me just think. What am I gonna do without her? Okay, thank you. Got a bowl. All right, so de-stem the mint. I would have more space. I have to de-stem the mint, recycle everything. This is how I roll. I love mint. I love mint. Okay. And then I'm going to finally chop these leaves. Powder. Let's see. I think that's kind of chopped. Small, dice the dates. Okay, so I think I did the dates. These are like really sticky dates. I mean, they're sticky, like the dates are sticky, but these are like stickier than normal dates. Not like the dates that I've had. Oh wait, I haven't had any. That was a good one. That was a really good one. Okay, a microwave safe plate and put it in the microwave. I don't like to use the microwave because I think the microwave is the enemy, but whatever. Microwaves, I think you cook all the nutrients out of it, but if it's chicken, it's just protein anyway. So I have to cook this for 1.5 minutes. Do you want to do that for 1.5 minutes? See, I'll get this done in 10 minutes, don't you worry. So I'm gonna add the chicken. Once I get the chicken back in 1.5 minutes, I'm gonna do the squash, lettuce, mint, feta cheese, squash, lettuce, mint. Yeah. Hey, all of it. Okay. Feta. Oh shoot, I have to do this. Alexa, set a timer for 3.5 minutes for the pita. Okay, recycle. So all done. And then we do, all right, so then we cut this up, right? Dicing. All right. It's hot. Shit, microwaves. Dicing this fully cooked organic chicken. They would never eat non-organic chicken because I'm grossed out by it. All right, so we got that. And then, okay, so that goes in here. And, oh, you could have it. There we go. Okay, so we're mixing it up. And then I'm gonna, like, get that toaster thingy. Here we go. That's, okay, mother effer. Ouch. Ouch. This is like a 15-minute meal. Yeah, okay. And then, so I'm cutting. Now, this goes in here. Carefully, gonna just toss a little more just to kind of get it all. And then this is the lemon basil caper dressing sauce. And if you close with me, to buy a home, you close with me, you get one of these. Melanie's favorite things, Oprah's favorite things. Hey. All right, we're done. And those 3. It's supposed to be for 2. But these things are so big that I actually always have enough for 3. Okay. Look at this. They're massive. Voila. 3 meals for my favorite, well, my dog is not here, my other favorite girls. And that is it. We have lemon basil caper chicken salad in 10-ish minutes.